Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Xbox Game Bar on Windows 10 and 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, Xbox Game Bar right here is built in, or it's a built-in app pre-installed with your Windows OS. Now, if you don't have it, here's a few things to try. Okay, so just close the settings right here, find Game Bar, and you should be able to see it. If not, try to look for Xbox, just Xbox. If you don't have the Xbox app, well, you don't have Game Bar as well. Okay, so what you can try is just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store, click on it, wait a bit, and then just go ahead and go to the search bar and type down Xbox, hit on enter, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, we have the Xbox app, accessories, and avatars. So basically, you're going to want to click on Xbox and install it. And then once that's installed, you got to restart your computer. And after that, check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and right click on your start menu and click on Terminal Admin, just like so. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to the description box below, and then go ahead and copy the given command. Okay, so once copied, just right click right here on your PowerShell, right click, and the code will be available right here. So just basically hit on enter, wait a bit, and it will then go ahead and try to reinstall the Xbox app and the Game Bar for you. So once that's done, just click on exit or type down exit, and then just restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you install Xbox Game Bar for Windows 10 and 11. If that still won't work, a basic Windows update will help fix the issue. All right. So if you don't know how to perform a Windows update, just go ahead over to your search bar and type down Windows Update. Okay. Just click on check for updates right here. And then just basically click on check for updates. And if there are available updates, just basically install them all. And once everything is installed, again, do not forget to restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you install Xbox Game Bar in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.